Hello and welcome to a very unusual YouTube video today. So I am super excited to be joined by the amazing Leanne Oswin Makeup. So I met Leanne in Bobbi Brown a few weeks ago, well quite a while ago actually.
It's quite a while ago, wasn't it? Yeah.
I was judging on a panel for an event, and I nipped in on the off chance that someone could do my makeup from day to night because I'm not super confident with that look. And Leanne incredibly stepped in and did the most amazing makeup for me. And we were just chatting, and I think we've got similar outlooks, and we're both all about empowering women and confidence. We both love makeup. Yeah. Obviously, Leanne's far better trained at it than I am. And we kind of just thought, let's do a bit of a collaboration. So I thought this would be really good fun to do for YouTube. And the look that we're going to be doing today is basically taking me from my everyday makeup, which has just been shoved on this morning, and taking it into a more glam evening look, which I love. So the typical dark smoky eye, and obviously sticking with the nude lip, but we might try something a little bit cheeky later on. So I really hope you enjoy watching. Leanne is the most incredibly talented artist, so I'm super excited to be sat here in her incredibly capable hands. So enjoy watching.
Okay, so Cleo and I have had a little chat about the day to evening look, and we've already had a go at it, as Cleo's already mentioned in the store. So what I'm guessing all you guys want to see is how quick Cleo can go from day to night and how fabulous she can look, obviously, at the end of it. And thankfully, from all the years of industry knowledge, there are such simple ways to do it, and ways in which anybody would be able to do this at home. So if you sat there thinking, no, I can't do this, as everybody says, you can. This is really easy to follow. Cleo has stunning eyes. They are so easy to make up. I love the way she does her day makeup. I think it's perfect, and I wouldn't change it in any way at all. It looks really natural. You can still see her skin through her base. It's so dewy. It looks really healthy. So to make it look more evening, everything else is perfect. So we are going to just work straight on the eyes. For that, I've got this amazing little Bobbi Brown longwear gel eyeliner that I use. I love these, especially for a smoky look. So just take a small amount on your brush and check it on your hand. And so you guys at home can see the texture of it, okay? We've got the line there already, so we just sketch it in and sketch up, and you can see with the brush we're just making what's already there smoky. If you just open Cleo and just have a look at the camera, look at the difference already. We're going to go inside and we're going to go underneath the lash line. What we're going to do is we're going to make this really dramatic. We're just using the same product, and we're using it, painting it inside here. So now, just close for me. I'm just going to blend it a little bit into the shadow colours that Cleo already has on. So we've got the black all the way around the outside. All I'm going to do now is take this Bobbi Brown, it's a Luxe eyeshadow. It's a rich sparkle eyeshadow, and all I'm going to do is take my ring finger, really gently just push it over the top. Now it's entirely up to you how much you apply, or we can
more
just
the better.
Yeah, exactly. The beauty of these are you don't look like you've lost a fight with a fairy. I like to call it, and I think I should own this phrase really, the sombre eye.
Oh, that's really good.
Because it's a smoky ombre look, isn't it? Oh my god, I know.
You're really good at it.
I know. You'd think I've been doing it for years, wouldn't you? But now we have the gorgeous eye effect that we want, it's time to just clean up around it a little bit. So just take a clear brush and give it a dust off. Okay, so these are the Bobbi Brown BBU palettes. So I know they're amazing, and women always have the problem of we wear self-tan, so our skin tone changes, whether it's up or down, monthlies, you can be a bit washed out, things like that. So I always say to my ladies, have at least 2 different shades of foundation. One your tan colour, and the other one your everyday colour. With doing that as well, you can then use them for contouring. Why not use your foundation to do your contour with? Now, we've had this discussion already. I'm so not into the big...
She doesn't do contouring.
What we're about is being real women. You know, we want blended, beautiful skin. We want to look natural. So, I'm going to use this. I think these are fabulous ideas. So, like Cleo, she's always in and out of doing different things and different looks. So, to have a couple of colours is fantastic.
Gives you that, like, day to night look, which is what we're trying to achieve, isn't it? It's just having that something a bit different from the daytime.
It really is, yeah. So you can use your finger if you want to, just to get in under there, but me personally, I think Cleo's done an amazing job already. I genuinely don't think you need loads of contouring, and I'm just going to take a little bit of one of the deeper shades, okay? And you can start by just blending into the skin, okay? And you can see there, it's almost like a bronzer effect. And rather than doing all these stripes all over the face, I'm going to find the hairline, just as you would with your bronzer, and blend it in. I know we've already bronzed here. Exactly. Pull a face if you need to. Be a fish. Who doesn't do the fish face? No. So we've done around the outside and we've brought in that bronze look, which you can probably see on there already. So now we're just going to go under the eyes. Because it's an evening look, we can use a little bit more than what we would usually. And this is the corrector.
We'll need a bit of correcting.
Yeah, and correctors are genius, because how many times do we think, am I meant to use purple? Am I meant to use green? No, they're not natural colours. Okay, so what this corrector does is actually takes away any depth that's there from the eye. So it works on the colour itself and brings the pigment back to a more natural skin tone. And then what you do is you pop your concealer over the top of that, which actually brings it back to your skin tone. So we can powder under the eye for those who like to powder. I prefer to keep it loose because I love this dewy skin effect. You're going to see loads of that coming through this year, loads of it. This is the Pink Glow, and if you look, there's 2 different shades there. Okay. So when you're on holidays, on your jollies or anything, you can just take this shade, put it over for a day look. Just here, just under this brow bone. So if you do want to use your bronzer, I love palettes. Yeah. Like I've already said, this has got a bit of everything in there. It was a NARS one. So we've got the Laguna. Laguna doesn't suit everybody, although everybody thinks that it does. It's not the perfect one for everyone, but it is a nice one to go for. So I'm just going to go over where Cleo would have had her bronzer on from this morning, and where we've gone round to make the skin a little bit more bronzed earlier, and then add a good pop of blush. So big smile. We want this beautiful apple here. We're just going to pop the colour on where the apple is. Really small amounts and blend. Well, another great tip if you're going from a day to evening look is take a little bit of your bronzer. If you just close for me, you can actually socket line your bronzer, which is one of my lady's favourite thing to do. Can you just open for me? Yeah.
So this is the final look of the day to night makeup, which I absolutely love. Super quick eyes, little bit of contouring but not contouring, tiny bit of highlighter, and then obviously ended up with my nude lips because that's what I feel most confident with, and it's more me, my natural habitat. However, we did try a few other colours. So I kind of was pushed a little bit out of my comfort zone.
We did. Well, what I've done with Cleo is exactly what I do with any of my clients, whoever they were. You know that old saying where they say fun always starts on the edge of your comfort zone, and that's exactly what it is. You can't try something different until you just slightly stretch that comfort zone a little bit. Not everybody out there is going to love the looks that you've tried today, Cleo. We love them. They looked amazing. I thought they looked incredibly stunning on you, and with the right attire, you know, they're perfect. I agree with you. I love you in your nude because it's you, completely stunning. Look at your eyes, you know. But if you look through the clips of what we've put on, all of them, a good lip should make your eyes pop. But what did we say? You know, Cleo has been pushed outside of her comfort zone.
I do it to my clients, so I've got to have it done back
exactly.
to me. Yeah.
And it just shows that anybody can do it. So next time you are on a makeup counter, go in, say to the girl, I just want to sit down with you and I just want to try a few different colours on me, and see how you feel. It's makeup, it's not a tattoo. You can just wipe it off, and you looked amazing in all of them.
Well, we've had so much fun, so I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. Bye!
Bye!